Thank you for investing your time today to learn more about our Azure Bite-Size series. My name is Jason Lambert, Cloud Technical Consultant for Microsoft Azure at Ingram Micro. And today, I want to answer the question, so how do I purchase Microsoft Azure through Ingram Micro? Stay tuned. Let me slip over to the other side of the page, and I'll work to answer that question for you. Okay, ready? So you've gone in your browser to ingrammicrocloud.com, is listed up at the top here. This is our Ingram Micro website for cloud services, and today I'm going to take you through to our marketplace. As you notice, I put my mouse over here, and it's highlighted the Shop Marketplace link. I click on that, and it will take me into our marketplace. For those that are interested, the actual address directly to our marketplace is us.cloud.im. First thing I'd like to bring your attention to is how to get help. So if you're looking to get service around our Ingram Micro Cloud services, you may dial the 800 number here at the top of the page. There's also the ability for you to submit an email and the ability to ask for live help through a chat. Also, if I start right to left, you get a link to our company information, support. So if you want to find more information in our knowledge base, or additional education around our cloud services, that's available through the support link. The control panel will give you access to the ability to invoice, manage, and provision services for your customers through the back end, but net new services should be provisioned through our cloud services link. And so as you look to the left side here of our screen, we've got 6 different categories, from business applications down through infrastructure. And then as I come across, you'll see Microsoft Azure, which we're going to focus on today. So when I bring you to this page, it's going to tell you information about Microsoft Azure. It's going to explain to you what Microsoft Azure is and how it works for those that aren't familiar, as well as give you a really cool little video if you want to watch it. We put that together a little while ago, and it's quite neat. It's about a minute and a half long. But for today's presentation, I'm just going to select this service because that's what I like to purchase. And then I'm going to be brought to this one-line item in my cart. So now I'm actually in my shopping cart. And this is an Azure and CSP tenant. Today, all I plan to do is provision a tenant. I'm not provisioning any services, servers, storage, backup, networking, or DR services. I am just provisioning a tenant. So I go ahead and click proceed to checkout. This next page gives me the opportunity to A, add a new customer, or B, add an existing customer. So if I click new customer, the website is going to allow me to enter all the information I need to enter about that new customer. And I just want to bring your attention down to this portion of the screen where it actually asked you to be careful of the email address you put in there. If you put your customer's email address in there, your customer will get the information to set up their tenant. So I'd highly recommend you put in your email address or an email address for your organization so that you get the credentials to set up the tenant on behalf of your customer. For the rest of the demonstration, I'm just going to pick an existing customer that we have at Ingram Micro, or we've already set up in our demo account. I'm going to put in my demo tenant information. It's got to be able to match. And I've successfully done that. My Microsoft Partner ID would also be there. I'm going to hit continue. And I'm going to be brought to billing information. So my billing terms for my demo account is already set up. You'd select that, and then you'd also select credit card or terms, whatever that may be as far as payment method is concerned. So now I'm just provisioning my tenant. That's all I've got here. There's no pricing. There's no financial transactions at this time, and I will have to submit and click to the terms of service. And that will, all the terms of service for all the solutions that we sell in Ingram Micro Cloud Marketplace go by this click to accept agreement. So I'm going to submit that now and provision my tenant. There'll be another video in a little while that'll show you what will happen next. and how to step forward in Microsoft Azure. Thanks for your time today, and hope to see you again soon.